Hello, in today's short information video, we'll be talking about ChatGPT for banking and finance. So, ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It is designed to generate human-like responses to a wide range of the questions and tasks. ChatGPT is based on machine learning algorithms and a large database of information. ChatGPT can be useful tool for customers who want to get a quick answer to their finance questions. It can also be used by financial institutions to provide customer support and enhance their online services. Additionally, ChatGPT can be used by financial professionals for research and analysis purposes. So, the benefits of ChatGPT can be helping financial institutions provide better customers services by responding to inquiries more quickly and efficiently. It can also reduce the workload of customer services representatives and free them up to focus on more complex tasks. For financial professionals, ChatGPT can provide a quick and easy way to gather information and conduct preliminary research. So, one potential risk is that the information provided by ChatGPT may not always be accurate and reliable. There may also be concerns around the security and privacy of the data entered into ChatGPT. Finally, there is a risk that ChatGPT could be used to automate jobs and reduce the number of human workers in this industry. In conclusion, ChatGPT has the potential to be a valuable tool in banking and financial industry. However, it's important to use it responsibly and with appropriate caution. By learning the benefits of ChatGPT, we'll addressing the risks and the challenges. We can create a more efficient and effective financial system for everyone. So I asked ChatGPT for some more benefits. He answered me some benefits, more benefits. I asked it for a quick example. You can ask it by yourself again, or you can pause the video and read it. And that is that. If you have some other questions or need some other tutorials, we have it on the channel, or ask in the comments. Please leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.